Hello and welcome to our booth here at Hannover Messe. Yesterday we had journalists from around the world as part of the highlight tour here checking out our applications. This morning we had the Chancellor here doing the same. So I feel like you should be here as well. So come see us and explore what we got to offer. We've got so many different applications. We got Diana 7 doing a gearbox assembly over here. We got the entire Thor Series working in a fully automated production line. We got a cable manipulation task where two Thor free robots work together, inspecting a cable and then inserting it fully autonomously. We also have Franca Robotics here, where they do a data collection task and then of course also translating that into AI embodiment, which is the task over here. And yeah, I think the star of the show though is Agile ONE, which is doing a regular stage performance where it walks down a catwalk, but also where it works in an assembly station together with another Agile ONE. So together they actually work hand in hand, so to speak, to build mini robots. So delivering physical AI on the factory floor. So I think you should check it out for yourself. Come see us here at booth J72 in Hall 27. Thank you.